Hey YouTube, what's going on? Super excited for this video because I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to use pumpkin seed oil for hair growth. We are officially in fall. 'Tis the season for all of the pumpkins and the pumpkin spices and all the things. But you know, it's not just for eating and sipping, it's also for your scalp as well. So I'm going to talk to you guys about how to use this oil, what it even does on your scalp, and some other things as well. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so when it comes to hair growth and hair loss, there are multiple things that can lead to difficulty growing your hair or even just hindering the hair growth that your body can actually give you, such as damage to the hair, lack of maintenance, lack of having a consistent regimen, and hormones. So a lot of times when you hear about hormonal hair loss or hormonal things concerning hair growth, it's because of an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. Now this is an enzyme that converts testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, aka DHT. Now this is like the enemy of hair growth, because when this DHT, this hormone, is just flowing in your blood system, once it gets to the scalp area, it can actually shrink the follicle. And anytime the follicle is shrunk within the scalp, that's going to lead to thinning hair, androgenic alopecia, and slow hair growth. So we really want to focus on how can we even remove or inhibit this DHT hormone from just flowing in our bloodstream, especially near our scalp, because that's not where it needs to be, okay? So that is where pumpkin seed comes into play. Now, pumpkin seed oil is a very unique oil. Number one, it's not an essential oil. You know, most hair growth oils are, you know, essentials, tea tree, peppermint, eucalyptus, things like that. Pumpkin seed oil is a carrier oil, so it's similar to like your grape seed and your olive oil, things of that nature. Now what makes up pumpkin seed oil is fatty acids. Fatty acids are organic compounds that make up oils. So depending on the fatty acid will determine if it's going to be an olive oil, a sunflower oil, a rosehip oil, and in this case of pumpkin seed oil, about 50% of the fatty acid happens to be linoleic acid. Research has shown that linoleic acid has the ability to inhibit DHT, which is great because the less that this hormone is within our bloodstream, the more our hair can thrive, the more our hair can be thicker and just really start to grow like it's supposed to. So that is kind of like the science behind how pumpkin seed oil helps your hair grow. In addition to that, pumpkin seed oil has a high amount of zinc within it. And zinc is known for being antifungal, antimicrobial, and it's just overall great for the scalp. So if you create like an oil with pumpkin seed oil with a few drops of tea tree oil, that'd be amazing for dandruff on the scalp. Another way to utilize this oil is to do a hot oil treatment and massage it into your scalp. So when you have this oil on your scalp and having that additional blood flow, that's going to help to really get it deep within the scalp to the follicles where it needs to be. And for added moisture, you can also add a humidifier to this hot oil treatment as well. Now if you do decide to try this, you know, throughout the week, I would say maybe 3 times a week. Take pumpkin seed oil, add a few other essential oils too, just a few drops of the essential oils, shake it up and use it on your scalp before you go to bed. And track your progress, take before and after photos just to monitor your results. So in the meantime, until you can get your hands on some pumpkin seed oil, definitely check out my video on Scalp 101, Unlocking the Pores for Hair Growth. That would be a great video if you have not checked that out yet. There's tons of information on how to really accelerate hair growth. Avoid styles that are too tight around your edges and on your hair as well, because you don't want to get traction alopecia, which is another video that's coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. So be mindful of tight hairstyles. And then last but not least, trust the process. Whenever you're trying to grow your hair, it is a process, you know, but the process is just as important as the destination. So enjoy the journey, okay? And really quick, I'm planning to do a video very soon on hormonal hair growth. You're not going to want to miss it. I'm going to go super deep in the whole scope of hormones and hair growth and how it relates. It's going to be so good. Make sure you guys are subscribed, notifications are on. Okay, back to the video. All right, guys, hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new about how pumpkin seed oil helps to promote hair growth. My next video is going to be on how to increase your hair growth phase, aka the anagen phase. Okay, so make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel. You're not going to want to miss that video because I'm going to go deep as usual. And if this video has been helpful to you, be sure to like this video and share Curly Chemistry with the world, and also share this video as well. And of course, I have a question for you. If you were stuck at an airport security, you brought 2 of your favorite oils, but you got to TSA and they're like, hey, you can only bring 1 oil with you. What is that 1 oil? Comment below, and I cannot wait to join the conversation with you. Be sure to check out the Curly Girl's Guide to Hair Care Ingredients to learn more about ingredients in the natural hair care industry. I'll have a link below for you to check out. And stay tuned, because I'm coming out with another ebook very, very soon. So that's going to be amazing. I cannot wait to share the title. But until then, Curly Girl's Guide to Hair Care Ingredients is available to you. And if you're interested in starting a hair care line, you can work with me one-on-one, no matter where you are in the world, where you are in the journey. You can sign up for a consultation with me. I have a link below for you with more information as well. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.